Hi, I'm Elizabeth here with Seattle Boat Company, and today we are talking about some markers and buoys that you will commonly see in our area. The first is the no wake buoy. This is a white cylinder buoy and it says no wake on it. You'll commonly see this in all the lakes in our area, and they kind of are spotted around the lake. And so when you are between the no wake buoy and the shore, you want to make sure that you have no wake. In most cases, this means that you are going about 5-6 miles per hour. It's going to depend on the boat that you have. And you just want to keep it really calm through there so that you're not disturbing the shoreline, you're not disturbing other boats in the area or swimmers along the dock. The second set of markers that we're going to talk about are the red and green markers. So these markers will mark the borders of the channel that you should be traveling through. So when you see these, you want to be thinking about staying between them. In some cases, you're just going to see one marker. And so then you want to think about, okay, do I want that marker on my left or right side? If you're traveling from the sea into the lake or up towards the river system, this would be called returning. You would want your red buoy to stay on your right side. So for example, coming from Lake Union into Lake Washington, the red buoy is going to stay on your right side, red right returning, green would be on your left. On that channel, coming from Lake Union into Lake Washington, there's actually a spot where there's just one green buoy. So if you're going from Seattle towards Bellevue, that green buoy would stay on your left side, and you would go between the green buoy and the shore, which is a little counterintuitive. Think red, right returning if you're going towards the east in our area.